Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about the top 3 best free and also ad-free VPNs which I had tested multiple times each one of them myself, and I will try to be as straightforward as I can. So let's begin. Before I start the video, you should know what is an IP address and how VPN works. To start things off, an IP address is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or a local network. The IP in the IP address stands for Internet Protocol, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the network or local network. Or, in other words, IP addresses are the identifier that allows information to be sent between devices on the network. And also they contain location information which make devices accessible for communication. But a VPN could hide your IP address and replace it with another so that the websites will get a different location through the IP address, and also you can almost do anything like browsing websites or watching a video on the internet which is not working or blocked on your location through the VPN. Now let's start with the VPNs which this video was originally made for. The VPN on the third list is TunnelBear VPN, which is the most popular on the list by the way, and it is by TunnelBear LLC, which is a company located in Toronto, Canada. So it is a Canadian company, and this VPN is ad-free but not completely free because you get only 500 MB of free browsing data every month. For more, you have to purchase their services, but you can use it anyway by installing it and then creating an account every time it reaches the peak data, which you can use in a month, which is 500 MB. So there's that. It is worth a try anyway. I will now do the speed test by Ookla. As you can see, the download speed is, or should I say the maximum download speed is 10.27 Mbps. It may differ in your region. As for security, it does hide your IPv6 address, but it instead uses IPv4 address and does not use the IPv6 address. So there's that. The second VPN on the list is Velocity VPN by Elysium Group, which I think is a company which was originated from Europe and now it also had its branches in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Now let's talk about the app. It is free and you don't need to create any sort of account for using this app, which I think is the best advantage of this app and is the main reason it is on the second list. Also, it had so many servers to connect from, which most VPN even don't have. It also has a problem which I think is that whenever you connect to the server from a country and that server is the highest speed server of that country, the VPN will not connect to that server and it says Attention, server full, please select a different location or try again later. Which means the server is full and you can't use that server for the time being. So that is the problem. Now let's connect to a working server. You can connect to a working server by simply clicking on Smart Connect option. It will connect to the best server. But there is no guarantee that it will connect to a server which you want to. Basically it is the random selection option. Now let's see the speed test. As you see on the screen, the maximum download speed of Velocity VPN is 15.38 MB per second, which I think is better than TunnelBear VPN. Let's see the security features of this VPN. It is not quite good because it does not hide your IPv6 address. It instead uses only IPv4 address. And the IPv6 address is as it is, which means the websites which you visit will know your location, but they can't track your exact location because the two IP details are different. So it works probably, but the internet speed is quite good of this VPN. Let's move on to the next VPN. Now the first VPN is Proton VPN by ProtonAG, and I think this ProtonAG company also runs a mall in Switzerland, and it's a Switzerland company anyway. Now let's talk about the app. It has a free plan, but for using that plan, you have to create a Proton VPN account and you have to choose on the free option while creating your account, which is the free plan. You can purchase a plan if you want to, but I will use the free plan. So after creating the account, you have to log in. It has only 3 servers which you can use without purchasing a plan. But the server this uses is the fastest compared to all of the servers the other VPNs uses, which I had mentioned in this video. Now let's see the Ookla speed test. As you see on the screen, the maximum download speed of this VPN is the highest and it is 29.22 Mbps. As I said earlier, it may differ on your region, but I think this is the fastest VPN. Now let's see the security. As you see, it does hide your IPv6 address, but it does not use that address. Instead, it uses IPv4 address, just like TunnelBear VPN. By the way, I used the Airtel SIM cellular data for doing the speed tests of VPNs mentioned in this video. Out of all the VPNs you saw, TunnelBear has a problem, which is that you get only 500 MB of free browsing data every month. Then there was the Velocity VPN, which has so many free servers, but only a few of them works. Also, you don't need to create an account for using it, and it has no data limit. And lastly, there was the Proton VPN, which has only a few free servers which you can choose from, but all of them works nicely, and also it does not have any data limit like Velocity VPN. So thanks for watching my video. If this video will help you, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends or family members.